Hello third class, get ready for today's science class. As you know, we are doing block 17 scarcity of water, and today we will learn rainwater harvesting can help reduce scarcity of water. Clear? Now please open your content book of science, lesson number 4, rainwater harvesting at page number 4. Let's start reading. Rain harvesting. This method involves collecting rainwater from surface on which rain falls. Clear? And storing this water for later use. So rainwater harvesting क्या होता है? Water को collect करना for the use. Since rain brings us fresh water, we can use it for many things. To save rainwater, we can collect it in storage tanks from roofs and roads. We can use this water for activities such as watering plants and washing cars. If the storage tank is clean, we can even use this water for drinking. अगर जो storage tank होता है वो clean है तो हम इस water का use drinking के लिए भी कर सकते हैं, cooking के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. I hope you understand that. Now here is a question for you. What is rainwater harvesting? How can we harvest rainwater? Dear students, let's discuss. Harvesting means to gather or collect. When we collect rainwater for our use, it is called rainwater harvesting. Usually rainwater gets wasted. ज़्यादातर जो rainwater होता है वो waste हो जाता है. Rainwater is fresh water and can be used. The rainwater on the terraces or roofs can be collected in a tank or well through pipes. This is a very old practice, more than 3000 years old. The rulers built ponds near the temples. So बहुत टाइम पहले क्या करते थे, जो राजा महाराजा होते थे वो क्या करते थे, वो टेम्पल्स के पास ponds को बिल्ड करवाते थे. They dug wells to store water. Animals gathered too for drinking the water. Animals जो होते हैं वो भी water को इकट्ठा करते हैं drinking के लिए. I hope you understand that. Now students, tell me, what can you use to collect the rainwater? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. We can use collected rainwater for gardening, washing bicycles, cars and floors. So we can use for washing the bicycles, cars and floors. If the storage tanks are clean, then we can also use this water for drinking and cooking. When we collect rainwater, we do not need to use the groundwater or other sources of water. जब हम rainwater को collect करते हैं तो हमें दूसरे sources से water लेने की नीड नहीं होती है. I hope it is also clear to you all now. Tell me, in what ways rainwater harvesting help people of an area? अगर किसी area में लोग जो हैं वो rainwater harvesting कर रहे हैं तो वो कैसे helpful है उनके लिए? When a community decides to harvest rainwater, many people can share the cost of doing so. A bigger storage tank can store more rainwater, thus providing water for many people. So जो bigger tanks होंगे, bigger tanks में हम water को store कर सकते हैं या फिर बहुत सारे tanks का हमें use करना पड़ सकता है. Clear? So इससे बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो rainwater का use कर सकते हैं. People in such places feel connected to each other and take better care of the community. When many people use rainwater, then the need for groundwater or river water becomes less. जब हम rainwater का use ज़्यादा करते हैं तो groundwater और rivers का water का हम use कम करते हैं. This help other people to get the water and reduction of water. इससे जो क्या होगा, जो पानी में कमी है, रिडक्शन जो है वो कम हो जाएगी और बहुत सारे लोगों को मदद मिलेगी वाटर को यूज़ करने में. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. नाउ these are your keywords: rainwater, harvest, community, store and collect. You have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now please open your worksheet as for rainwater harvesting. First question is, look at the picture of rainwater harvesting. Write down the steps of rainwater harvesting. आपको rainwater harvesting के लिए steps write करने हैं. First step is rain comes down. As you can see in the picture, rain comes down. Rainwater on roof goes down the pipe. रेन वाटर जो रूफ पे आया है वो किसके थ्रू नीचे जा रहा है? पाइप्स के थ्रू नीचे जा रहा है. यहाँ पे आपको एक वाटर फिल्टर भी नज़र आ रहा है. द वाटर पासिस थ्रू फिल्टर. वाटर गेट इनटू टैंक फॉर स्टोरेज. उसके बाद जो वाटर है वो टैंक में चला जाता है स्टोरेज के लिए. वाटर गेट्स स्टोर्ड इन द टैंक. एंड द लास्ट वन इज द वाटर कैन बी यूज्ड इन मैनी वेज इन द हाउसेज. तो इस वाटर का हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं बहुत सारे वेज में हाउस के अंदर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. एक्सप्लेन हाउ रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कैन रिड्यूस द स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर. सो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग से जो पानी की कमी है उसको कैसे पूरा किया जा सकता है? स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी कलेक्ट रेन वाटर वी डू नॉट नीड टू यूज द ग्राउंड वाटर एंड अदर सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर लाइक river water. Clear? Then the need for groundwater or river water becomes less. This helps other people to get the water and we can reduce the scarcity of water. I hope it is clear to you all now. Next question is, look at the pictures. Both pictures show rainwater harvesting. Now tell me which storage tank will help more people. So कौन सा storage tank जो है वो ज़्यादा पीपल्स की हेल्प करेगा? अ bigger storage tank can store more rainwater, thus providing water for many people. So this bigger tank will help. Next question is, why will it help more people? So ये ज़्यादा पीपल्स की हेल्प कैसे कर सकता है? पीपल इन बिग प्लेसेस फील कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर एंड टेक बेटर केयर ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. A bigger storage tank can store more rainwater, thus providing water for many people. इसलिए बहुत सारे peoples को water provide करवाता है. So you have to complete this worksheet. Now you have to complete practice question number 7. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting क्या होता है? When we collect rainwater for our use, it is called rainwater harvesting. Next question is question number 8. What will happen if more people harvest rainwater together? How will it help? अगर ज़्यादा लोग जो है वो एक साथ वाटर को हार्वेस्ट करना शुरू कर दे तो क्या होगा? When a community decides to harvest rainwater, many people can share the cost of doing so. Clear? A bigger storage tank can store more rainwater for providing water for many people. So you have to complete these two practice questions. Thank you everyone for watching this video.